Hi, welcome back to Sandhya's Kitchen. In this video, I'll be sharing a simple mac and cheese recipe. I'll be making it in an instant pot. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Half a cup of elbow pasta, 2 slices of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of milk, salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's take a quick look at the IP settings. Turn on saute mode and let's wait for the inner pot to heat up. Once the pot is hot, add butter. Once the butter melts, add pasta. And give a quick stir. Now add 1 cup of water. Add salt. Close the lid. Turn off saute mode. Turn on manual and set it to 5 minutes. Make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. I have let the pressure release naturally. Now I'm gonna open the lid. Pasta is well cooked. Now I'm gonna turn on saute mode. Add milk. And add cheese. And let this saute for around 5 minutes. Continue to keep stirring. You can notice that it starts to thicken up. Now this is at a good consistency. I'm gonna turn off the instant pot. And it's ready to be served.